In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete DocuSign forms with this full 2025 guide. Let's dive right in and start by opening the DocuSign form. To do this, check your email inbox for a message from DocuSign. Once you find it, click on the Review Document link. This will open the form in a secure DocuSign window within your browser or directly in the mobile app if you're using your phone. After you've opened the document, it's important to understand the legality behind using electronic signatures. The first time you use DocuSign, you might be required to agree to use electronic records and signatures due to eSignature laws, specifically the eSign Act. Simply click Continue to consent and proceed to the next step. Now, let's navigate the form. DocuSign makes it pretty straightforward by automatically highlighting areas that need your attention. You can use the Next or Start button to jump between these required fields, ensuring you don't miss anything. However, if you prefer, you can manually scroll through the document as well. As you progress through the form, you'll come across various fields that you need to fill out. These might include text boxes for entering names, addresses, or numbers. There might be drop-down menus where you select from a list of options, or checkboxes and radio buttons to choose between different choices. You could also find initials fields where you place your initials on specific pages, and a date signed field, which will automatically fill in with today's date. Remember, required fields are usually marked in red, and you must complete these before submitting the form. When you arrive at a signature field, it's time to add your signature. Clicking on the signature field will give you several options. You can use DocuSign's pre-styled signature, draw your own using a mouse, stylus, or touchscreen, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Once you've made your choice, click Adopt and Sign to apply it to the form. Before finishing up, take the time to review the document thoroughly. Scroll through the entire form to make sure all required fields are complete and double-check for accuracy in the details you've provided, such as names, addresses, and initials. Now, it's time to finish the form. You'll find a Finish button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking it will submit the document, and you'll see a confirmation screen indicating your form has been sent. Additionally, a copy of the completed and signed form will be emailed to you automatically. Finally, to keep a record of your submission, head to the confirmation screen where you can click Download or print for your copy. If you've enabled it, your document is also saved in DocuSign's Manage tab or linked to cloud storage services like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. That wraps up our guide on completing DocuSign forms.